Hey, welcome to another video. So in this video, I will be talking with you about how to write a converting offer or job proposal or a bid for Fiverr.com using ChatGPT in less than 2 minutes. So here a job description for that I have worked on a year ago. So here you can see it says your service is a mess. This is how Fiverr now send offers on Fiverr seller's profile, as it has in previous time. Most probably, I can guess the time is before 2022. Uh, there was another option called buyer request option, which was on under the tab more on Fiverr dashboard. But the Fiverr has changed this feature, and now its automatic algorithm matches buyers job posting with seller services and then send it directly to a Fiverr seller's profile. So here I have got a notification on my profile on year 2023, where it says industry lifestyle from United States, title improve and format my book. So before I uh, have to talk about more in detail, I need to tell you that I am a book expert really. Book expert means I can do any kind of work for publishing a book. So in this project, I worked as a book editor and a book formatting expert. So two of the skills that I have put into complete this project. So here you can see that in the description it says I am a fitness professional and I need help finishing my book and formatting it into a PDF. The book is called Age in Reverse, and it's basically about how to slow and even reverse the aging process using cutting edge nutrition and exercise strategies. You could not find the sorry, you could it has a mistake. He wanted to say it's could, but he mistakenly said could not. So here he says you could find the draft at lageInreverse.com/book.html. However, it's the link he has put in the description, so I could check it and get the idea of his book and collect the contents from there. So, however, then he says would like it formatted to PDF and maybe some expanded content. So genre, self-help or wellness in language English. So this was the buyer brief, and so is Fiverr's automated message, as you know already. I hope you have already know about this. These buyer briefs are great opportunity for more work. You can always update your settings. However, so this is from Fiverr's mess. The lines, the last two lines are from Fiverr's own self. So, however, after reading this job description, so I just went to ChatGPT and write a simple command. Can you write me a compelling proposal based on the job description for Fiverr? And I put a colon here and then a, a quotation mark, as you can see before the title, quotation mark, and then just copied the whole description from title to language English and then copy it and just paste it over here, and then it as you can see how it shows here. So after pasting, so I also close the inverse. I have closed the full text with inverted comma once again. So then press the enter button, and after pressing the enter button, ChatGPT has come up with a very engaging job proposal for me. So here you can see, sorry. it's not come here. Here is the uh, yes, this is. So I just edited a bit the job proposal, as you know. So where it said he is a fitness professional. So I have edited the greetings a bit, and where I said dear fitness professional, so it becomes more customized to that customer. So and I am respecting with his profession, that say dear fitness professional. So what says then, I am writing to express my sincere interest in your project of finishing your book and formatting it into a PDF. I have extensive experience in writing, editing, and formatting books, and I am confident that I can provide you with the high quality services as you are seeking. So these are from ChatGPT. It's not written by myself. As you know, I have used ChatGPT for writing that job proposal. Then see what says, which is generated by ChatGPT. Very compelling text. It produced me very compelling text. So after reading the automated text, I was myself was also impressed that this is going to win the job. So then it says, as per your project description, the book is called Age in Reverse and is focused on cutting edge nutrition and exercise strategies to slow down and reverse the aging process. I have reviewed the draft following the attached link, and I am impressed by the quality of your work. I believe that with my expertise, we can take your book to the next level. Then, what then in the next stage, I have also edited a bit the auto-generated text from ChatGPT. Then I just titled it the process, how I will do the work for the buyer. So he could have a very detailed idea about how I would have gone through his full work step by step. Where it in the first subtitle it says editing and revisions. I will carefully review your draft and provide you with feedback and suggestions to help you refine your writing and enhance the overall quality of your book. So what he was really seeking for, that I went over his book and edit and revise it fully after checking the draft, and I also got realized that he needed this stuff to be done by me. Then in the second stage, I said with a colon and a subheadings formatting to PDF. He was asking for a PDF file, generated PDF file, so he could upload it on various self-publishing platforms as well as on his website. So then I said, once the editing process is complete, I will format your book into a professional looking PDF document that is ready for publication, which he was exactly looking for. He here, as you can see, we got back to the we get back to the buyer job description again, where he says uh, I am 50% I need help finishing my book and formatting it into a PDF. Okay, let's talk it in later, as he said it in the another message. So, however, so then formatting to PDF document that is ready for publication, which was he was exactly looking for. That I also had written on the job proposal uh, with getting help from ChatGPT as well. Then I said in another subheading, expanded content. If you would like to add more content to your book, I can assist you in researching, writing, and incorporating new material to ensure that your book is as comprehensive and informative as possible. So he was also looking for this service, as per his saying. in the job description as well as in the after message that he had sent me when I sent this job proposal first. Then he sent me a message, and in this text and in the text he said me that he wanted to expand his book content which was existing, so that the book becomes a complete book and a comprehensive book and informative as per his saying. So then let's move ahead, and where so that was the process. Three step processes: editing and revisions, formatting to PDF, and expanded content. Then as per is as following the text that was generated by ChatGPT, which says, "My approach to this project will be collaborative and flexible, with a focus on achieving your goals and meeting your needs. I will keep you updated on my progress and provide you with the opportunity to review and provide feedback at each stage of the process." So I have ensured that I will be with him throughout all the work processes, so he got update on each and every step that I had taken on his book. So I promised this in this message, actually, as you have read with me, as you have heard from my readings. So that's a simple, very simple job proposal that ChatGPT has helped me to generate. I just edited a bit the proposal that was automatically generated by ChatGPT, and that's how I wind the job. So after sending this job proposal, so he sent me a text. So I got a text. Then where, as you can see, where he said, "Thank you for responding, and I think we might be a good fit. What I am looking for when the project is completed is an ebook that I can self-publish or sell on Amazon or other self-publishing sites." So he exactly stated in brief his more expectations which he wanted from this project uh, as a freelancer from me. So where he also said, "I want to make sure that your work will take me all the way to the finished product." So he was looking for the finished product. I mean the product that you will be ready to publish on his website as well as other self-publishing platforms, which uh, we have seen in my job proposal at the early stage. I have said that uh, here you can, as you can see again, "I will format your book into a professional looking PDF document that is ready for publication." So I will provide exactly what he was looking for. That I also committed in the job proposal. So as you can see, that helped. ChatGPT helped me to generate, not I had written the full text. So then let's move on. So he said, "I want to make sure that your work will take me all way to the finished product. Your price sounds fair. If that is the result, I would like to pay you three and three installments. One by three when you decide to start the project, one by three when you are halfway finished, and the balance on completion. Does that sound fair to you?" So he offered me a milestone system project, so we can proceed with the whole work step by step. Then I cancel the previous offer, withdrawn the previous offer, and then again customize the offer and send the offer with three milestones with three separated uh, work work what work progression. So where at the first stage I said it editing and revision, and I said the timeline is 3 days, and the price is I had said $120, and then I said expansion, where I also provided two revisions for such progression. as as you know, after writing content there needs some editing and changes as the buyer might ask for. So I had also provided two revisions on this uh, second milestone. So here I I had set 4 days for the project for the milestone completion and $120 again for this milestone. Then formatting and finalization, and here also I provided 2 revisions. As you know, the buyer might ask for some changes, and if and I thought the buyer might not satisfy with the first draft, so that's why I had put 2 revisions there as well. And I also set 3 days for the completion of this milestone and $110 for the third and final milestone. And in total, it's 10 days and $350 total whole project cost. So after sending this, the buyer has accepted the offer, and I had got the order. And after completing the project, I got a 5-star review as well on the project. And the buyer said it was a great service. Just how I did the project and how I had written the whole job description using ChatGPT simply within just 2 minutes. It might take less than 2 minutes from you as well, as you now know how to do this. Uh, 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 so thanks for watching and for being with me and listening to my non-native talkings in English and bearing me. So thank you. Thanks again. I hope I will meet you in another video. Hope this video is helpful for you. So if you like the video, then I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos, more upcoming videos.